Now, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, my viewers, depending on the time that you're watching this video or the current place or the country that you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for your participation on this platform. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to my another political episode for today. If you are new on this platform or maybe you're currently watching yet you haven't subscribed, just requesting you to please subscribe to my channel, and also you can give this video a like, because if you do so, YouTube will automatically recommend this video to reach out to others so that we can grow together on this platform. To my returning subscribers, to my loyal viewers and supporters, I really want to appreciate you for your continued support. Basically, without the support, this channel cannot be where it is currently, and that is why I really don't take your entire support for granted. Also, you can press the notification bell that you can see down there, so that every time I upload a video on this platform, YouTube will automatically update you by sending you the notifications. So having said that, let us go straight into our critical analysis for today. And in this video, I just want us to talk about the Court of Appeal yesterday uplifting the orders that bared the Finance Act 2023. So recently, the High Court of Kenya made the final decision, or the final ruling, which suspended the Finance Act 2023 completely, thrown out, and requested the Chief Justice Martha Koome to appoint a 3-judge bench at the Court of Law on the matter. Also, the CS for Treasury, Njuguna Ndung'u, and the Attorney General of Kenya, Justin Muturi himself, went to the Court of Appeal and applied for the appeal of the final ruling in the High Court concerning the Finance Act 2023. Now, after that appeal, that is when now the Court of Appeal yesterday actually uplifted the orders bearing the implementation of the Finance Act 2023. And currently, as we speak, ladies and gentlemen, the Finance Act 2023 is officially effective and legally. The Azimio leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, on the other side, has been fighting so hard to repeal the Finance Act 2023, and he has been using various ways to mount pressure on William Ruto to do so. And he has been using the Bungoma Senator Okiya Omtata himself, the activist, senior most activist. That is why I remember very well recently Raila Odinga was speaking, and he made it very clear that he wants Okiya Omtata to mount pressure at the Court of Law concerning the Finance Act 2023 issues, and him, Raila Odinga, to mount pressure using the demonstrations and the street protest for the Finance Act 2023 to be repealed. And that is why yesterday, during the ruling, Okiya Omtata went ahead and to make several statements. Let me just read for you and show you on the screen some of the statements that Okiya Omtata made on that issue. First of all, Okiya Omtata is saying that we will not give up until the Finance Act 2023 is repealed or entirely squashed by the court, because it contains provision which are parallel to the Constitution. It proceeds to say that no one should be forced to contribute money in a manner that suggests that the citizens are fundraising for the government. We will oppose the Finance Act 2023 before the Court of Appeal. But in my considered opinion, the way I've been looking at this Finance Act 2023 issues, even though it has some challenges, some bad issues in it, but when you look at it from the general view, you may consider that William Ruto wants to use the Finance Act 2023 for the development projects, even though he has imposed several tax means which can press the ordinary wananchi. But on the other side, William Ruto requires money so that he can finance his development projects and he can fulfill the promises that they made to the people of the Republic of Kenya. And that is why, on my side, on my opinion, I've been supporting the Finance Act since it was a bill. What next for Raila Odinga? In my considered opinion, Raila Odinga has now left with 3 options, which I don't think he will still succeed to oppose the Finance Act 2023 to be repealed. I remember very well, Raila Odinga has been opposing this bill, this act, since it was a bill in Parliament, whereby he structured his legislatures in Parliament to oppose strongly the Finance Act 2023, but they were defeated badly, and the Parliament approved the finance bill. It became an act immediately. William Ruto, the president, put a sign on it. But Raila Odinga did not stop at that. He went ahead using Okiya Omtata, the activist, to go to court to challenge the Finance Act 2023, and he succeeded at the High Court of Kenya, which suspended the Finance Act 2023. But also, after this appeal, now the Finance Act 2023 has become effective. So the question that I'm asking here is that what is next? What is the next thing that Raila Odinga will have to do? In my considered opinion, I will relate this issue on what Okiya Omtata has said here, that we will not give up until the Finance Act 2023 is repealed or entirely squashed. So that is the first option of Raila Odinga. He will still head to the court to challenge the uplifting of the Finance Act 2023 by the Supreme Court of Kenya. So I want us to wait and see how these issues will turn out, because in my considered opinion, this is now the opportunity that William Ruto has. And if he cannot manage to make his promises to a reality using the Finance Act 2023, then I don't think William Ruto is suitable to hold that office, because what he wanted is money. And that is why I've been supporting the Finance Act. And majority of people who are supporting the Finance Act 2023 are saying that even though we will suffer a little bit on the high taxes and the issues, but we want William Ruto to progress, and he needs money. That is why we are supporting the Finance Act 2023. That is why I'm saying that if William Ruto will not be able to go ahead, even majority of people have been telling me that this is now the opportunity that William Ruto has. And I know that he must deliver, because if he don't deliver, then I don't think he will have majority of supporters. What he lacked is money. So basically what I'm saying is that they will head to the court, Supreme Court, to determine the whole issue. So let us wait and see how this will emerge. That is the first option. The second option left by Raila Odinga is to give up, surrender, and retreat on the Finance Act 2023. He has fought the Finance Act 2023 for the longest period of time. He has used his various ability, his effort to do so, but all the efforts that he has made have completely failed. So what he should do, let him give William Ruto time to act on the basis of the Finance Act 2023 to deliver on the people of the Republic of Kenya. The reason as to why Raila Odinga does not want this Finance Act 2023 to pass is that, in my considered opinion, if William Ruto will use this Finance Act 2023 to various development projects and succeed, Raila Odinga will not have anything to talk about. Raila Odinga wants William Ruto to fail so that he can have an excuse on the people of the Republic of Kenya. But if William Ruto will succeed, that will actually be a problem to Raila Odinga. So in my considered opinion, let him just retreat and surrender and find out another way out on other issues. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, Raila Odinga will still mount pressure on William Ruto on the issues of protest, street demonstrations after this court ruling. That is why I've always maintained on this platform that each and every time Raila Odinga is being defeated on any issues, Raila Odinga must use the demonstration, the mass action, the street protests being funded by Uhuru Kenyatta, like just as the Kenya Kwanza Alliance claims and William Ruto claims. So he will have to protest, to mount pressure for the Finance Act 2023 to be repealed. So, and that is why in the recent past, Raila Odinga has been protesting. One of the issues raised during the protest is the Finance Act 2023 to be repealed. So also, let us wait and see Raila Odinga's next move. Otherwise, that was my analysis for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. I want to listen to your views concerning the Finance Act 2023. What can you say about it? Do you support the Court of Appeal on the uplifting of orders bearing the implementation of the Finance Act 2023? What can you say about it? And if you have been opposing the Finance Act 2023, what's your take on this? Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section below. Guys, I don't have much. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, my name is Jason, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.